Good morning, everyone. Come along with me as I spend another busy day at my poultry. This is egg for my customer. So we are going to supply these 6 crates of eggs. So I want to mix the feed that they are going to eat. So this is where I store my feed. So we mix feed for them. Yeah, so this is PKC. We added PKC. So guys, before we give them food, we have to pick out the eggs that they have laid. So before we give them food, so these are cracked eggs. This is cracked egg. Fine. So I really done it's raining already. So I have to bring down this tarpaulin so that the rain is not going to flow inside. So guys, till the end of my video, this was how my day went. Thank you guys for spending the day with me. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, also like and comment. See you in my next video. Bye guys.